Here we are in the midst of fall. I am in love with all the orange and red leaves in my neighborhood. They inspired me to make these colorful maple leaves with shrink plastic. I am sure they will be a great addition to my future fall theme project. Hello, it's Atty from Atty Design Studio. In this video, I'll be using the Maple Rhapsody template, which is available at my Etsy store, Atty Design Studio, along with other fun templates like the jellyfish, strawberries, or cherry blossoms. For those who have purchased the template, thank you for your support. This means a lot to me as a creator. Start with printing out the template. Place the plastic sheet over the template with the matte side up. Secure it with a tape and begin to trace. I use pencil crayon to trace the outline. Now let's think about what should the color of our leaves be. My color reference is from this real maple leaf I picked up. Notice that the pointy tips of the leaves have a yellowish green hue. And on this red leaf, there are specks of brown and yellow. I use pencil crayon to add those details to my design. Here are the maple seeds. They look like wings. The yellow parts are the seed where they tend to have lighter color than the rest, so I'm gonna use yellow there. Now that I added all the fine details, I will start the coloring process with chalk pastel. The best thing about these chalk pastels is that they are super easy to blend, although they are a bit messy, so I'm wearing a glove. Now I'll cut out each pieces. I find it easier to cut it out in a big general shape and then trim them after. I will use some of the pieces to make a pin today. I punched some holes so that I can add some hoops. You'll see what I mean shortly. I use a heat-resistant bowl. This is just a ramekin for baking. I figure if it's oven safe, it should be heat gun safe. Then I use the gun to shrink the pieces. If you don't have the gun, you can use your home oven. And now that they're all done, I use a cloth to clean up the pastel residue on the shiny side. The next step is optional. I use a sealer spray to seal the side where we did the coloring. And here we are, our little pieces of fall. You can use these in different craft projects, such as this ball charm. If you're planning to use it in a charm, I recommend punch some holes before you shrink the plastic because after they already shrunk, they're kind of hard to drill without a proper drill. And here's the pin I want to make today. I add some hoops and chain to connect the maple seed to the maple leaf. Then I glue it to my pin base. I think they're super cute with my fall outfit. If you enjoy a project like this, check out my Etsy store for more templates. The link will be in the description. And if you're up for something more challenging, check out this shrink plastic jellyfish video here. Thanks for the watch, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy crafting!